Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a special video. As you can see, my hair is a little bit damp. I just got out the shower. I just shampooed my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test out a new product that's actually a new treatment for my hair. Well, it's not new on the market, but it's new for me. So what I wanted to do is try some new products on my relaxed hair. If you have any other suggestion what you want me to try, like let my hair be your tester, you can write in the comments a product or a brand that you would like for me to test. So this is gonna be like a new series on my YouTube channel, like trying some new stuff. So yeah, today is the Afoji Keratin 2-minute treatment. Keratin 2-minute reconstructor, sorry. So yeah, this is a protein treatment. So lots of y'all have been asking me like if I use protein treatments, how often I use it. So the answer is no, I don't use protein treatments on my hair. I actually only used one once, and it was one that I made myself with eggs and mayo, and it left my hair really hard. So yeah, protein treatment is not really good for me, but I'm gonna try and see if this one is gonna be special, if it's gonna leave my hair smooth or something like that. So yeah, it says it's a reconstructor treatment. So it adds strength and softness in one step. So hopefully it's not gonna make it hard. It's quick and effective against heat and chemical damage. So my hair is relaxed, so the chemicals can damage my hair, that's true. So it says it's a pH optimized, content exclusive profitamin complex. I don't know what it is, but yeah, so I'm gonna try that. So I bought this pack for $2.99 in my local beauty supply store. Well, $2.99 Canadian, and it comes with 2 applications. So I'm just gonna use one today. So I'm gonna follow the instructions for that. But first I'm gonna do my hot oil treatment. As you know, I always do a hot oil treatment. This is a mixture of Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil, so I'm gonna use that first. Okay, so I'm just gonna follow the directions, what it says. So it says gently shampoo hair with Afoji shampoo. I didn't do that, I used my own shampoo. So after that it says rinse thoroughly and towel dry as usual. So I don't towel dry, I use a t-shirt to remove the excess water. So that's what I did. After that it says squeeze one application into palm. Using fingertips, work evenly through hair and scalp. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so it smells clean. I don't know how else to say that. It smells like regular hair products, so the smell is not good or not bad, so that's okay. I don't think that's gonna be enough for all my hair though. Yeah, that's not gonna be enough. Okay, so I can already say that my first con is that there is not enough product in this little package, so feels like I'm gonna have to use the 2 applications. So I'm done with this side and I don't feel like my hair is all covered, so I'm gonna have to use the second one too. Okay, so if you have more hair than me, I wouldn't suggest using this little package because there's not enough product, even though they said it was 2 applications. Okay, so I'm done. This is empty. So after that, what it says is for maximum penetration, cover hair with warm towel or plastic cap for 2 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna stay like that for 2 minutes. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes, so just gonna remove that. I'm gonna feel my hair. It feels hard at some places, but it smells good. Okay, but yeah, at the places where I put the most product, it feels hard, but I can feel that there's some places in my hair that doesn't have any product on it. So yeah, this little package wasn't enough for me. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rinse it out, I'm gonna condition, detangle, dry my hair under the hooded dryer, and then I'm gonna come back after that to show you the results on my hair, on my relaxed hair. So yeah, see you guys. Okay people, so I am back. I'm gonna give you my final review about this Afoji reconstructor mask thing, 2-minute thing. So yeah, I can feel that my hair is quite hard, but not as hard as the last time that I used a protein treatment when I did myself my mixture of eggs and mayo. Like not that hard. This time was like too much, but now it's hard, but like an okay hard. Like I can feel that it's really stronger though. Like that's something that I can see. My hair looks really stronger, so that's good. And I also like that it was only a 2-minute treatment, because normally I pass like 1 to 2 hours with my regular hair mask, so this saved me a lot of time. So I would use it again, but I wouldn't buy this package. I would buy the normal bottle, and I would only use it like every month, once a month, or every 2 months, because too much protein is like not enough protein. It can be bad also, so I wouldn't use it too much, but it was cool. I really liked it. So at the end, I like it more than I hate it. The smell too is quite pleasant. As I said, it was an okay smell, but now that I passed a couple of hours with it, I can see that the smell is quite pleasant. Like I have no complaints about it. So yeah, my hair does feel a lot stronger, so I really like it. So yeah, I give it a go. So if you didn't try this 2-minute reconstructor, this keratin 2-minute reconstructor, go ahead and try it. You have nothing to lose. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this kind of review, first time trying something. So as I said, I'm gonna do more videos like it, trying some new stuff. I already have some ideas of things that I want to try, but if you want me to try something like a new product or a particular brand, leave it in the comments, and yeah, I will be glad to test it out for you. So don't forget to watch one of the videos that I posted before. Don't forget to like this video and to share it with your friends. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.